Okay, just after I ended my last video, we have another train coming. Hello everybody, CJ Compton here. Once again at Gorman Road. I have not left. We have a train coming, check it out. I believe I already said that already, but I said it in the beginning of the video. And the signal just went back to a green signal, which is good because we got another train coming anyway. It was yellow when I saw the light. I'm going around the corner or around the curve. So it might be going fast, it might not. I don't know. Anyway, here it comes. Roll it. It is coming, folks. I don't know, but I think it stopped. Oh, it did not stop? I can hear the crossing going down over there. Anyway, here it comes. Roll it. It is going very slow. This one here might be, the one here might be taking the siding. world. And now, like I was gonna say, he might be taking the sighting. I don't know. So I might wait here for a few minutes and see if I am correct. Anyway, the symbol on that train is the Canadian Pacific, the 231, and it's going slower than usual because a train has passed through here not that long ago. Anyway, the 231 starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads west all the way to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates. And I forgot to say in my last video, my grandma is back from Jackson. I meant to say that in my last video, but I got way too distracted. Anyway, on this Tuesday, September 3rd of 2024 from CJ Compton on YouTube. It looks like he's slowing down even more. Anyway, I guess that's it. So to roll it.